Alright guys, I'm running Grail 1115 for myself, which is Amazing Spider-Man 316 McFarlane Venom cover. I've just forget a timestamp. There's still a few guys to pay, but that's okay. I trust you guys, and I'll get this started. So 8:29 on 23rd of October. 8:29 on the 23rd of October here in WA. The list is 86 long with Kevin at 86 and Kevin at number 1. Put that in, Kevin at number 1, 86, Kevin at that spot. So hopefully I haven't missed a number like on the previous one. Let's give it a roll. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, a nice short one. Let's go. Good luck everyone. Yes. Never seen that before, so let me just grab that list again. And cut from scratch. That's a bit better. So 86 Kevin, number 1 Kevin, and it was 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls, 86 items, so we're good to go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 roll dice, 2 more to go. Good luck everyone. Contact me when you've seen this. And final one, let's go. Alright, so 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have a look who the winner is. Have this out for you on Monday, whoever it is. Tyler with spot number 6. Congrats, mate. I'll hold that book hostage till you send through your funds. Alright. Congrats. So that time is 8:31 on the 23rd of October. 8:31 on the 23rd of October. It was 86 items, Tyler 1. 6 times was the roll, and 3, 4, 5, 6 was the dice. Thanks everyone.